নমস্কাৰ মোৰ নাম অনপ্ৰিয়া আৰু মই অৰুপচাৰৰ ছাত্ৰী আছিলোঁ মই দিল্লী বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ৰ আম্বেদকাৰ ইউনিভাৰ্চিটি দিল্লীৰ পৰা পঢ়ি ইউনিচেফত কৰ্মৰত আছিলোঁ বৰ্তমান মই মধ্যপ্ৰদেশৰ এটা গ্ৰাছৰুটছ এনজিঅ'ত চাকৰি কৰোঁ ছাৰৰ আজি ফোনটো পাই খবৰটো পাই বিৰাটেই ভাল পালোঁ আশা কৰোঁ এনেদৰে আৰু প্ৰাইজ ছাৰে পায় কাৰণ কি ছাৰে যিখিনি কষ্ট কৰি ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীক পঢ়ায় মই নিজে গণিত বৰ এটা ভাল নাপাইছিলোঁ কিন্তু আজি এইখিনি স্থান পাইছোঁ চাগে ছাৰৰ বহুত অৱদান আছে ইয়াত সেইটো কাৰণে আশা কৰোঁ যাতে ছাৰে কৰা কষ্টখিনি এনেদৰে স্বীকৃতি পাই থাকক আৰু শিক্ষক দিৱসত তেখেতক সেৱা জনালোঁ আৰু অন্য সকলো শিক্ষক শিক্ষয়িত্ৰী যোনে ইমান নিস্বাৰ্থভাৱে ল'ৰা ছোৱালীৰ কাৰণে কষ্ট কৰি আছে তেখেতসকলকো মই মোৰ সেৱা জনালোঁ
প্ৰত্যেকজন ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীৰ জীৱনত এনেকুৱা এজন টিচাৰ থাকেই যি এটা পজিটিভ ইম্পেক্ট পেলাবলৈ সক্ষম হয় আৰু মোৰ জীৱনতো তেনেকুৱা এজন টিচাৰ হৈছে শ্ৰদ্ধাৰ অৰূপ ছাৰ আজি তেওঁৰ এই সফলতাৰ কথা গম পাই মই অতিকৈ আনন্দিত ইটছ নাথিং বাট দ্য ৰিজাল্ট অফ হিজ হাৰ্ড ৱৰ্ক এণ্ড ছেল্ফলেছ ডেডিকেশ্যন আৰু মই আশা কৰিছোঁ যে আগন্তুক দিনবোৰত যেন তেওঁ আৰু ছাকচেছফুল হয় উইচিং হিম গুড হেল্থ এণ্ড হেপিনেছ অলৱেজ আৰু ইয়াৰ লগতে প্ৰত্যেকজন টিচাৰক মোৰ ফালৰ পৰা আ ভেৰি হেপী টিচাৰ্ছ ডে থেংক ইউ
Hi, my name is Dr. Hiya Bora and I am currently working as an internee doctor in Tejpur Medical College, Assam. I am very glad to know that my teacher, Mr. Arupjyoti Saikia sir, has been awarded the prestigious Guru Gaurav Vidyaratan Puraskar and I truly believe that he really deserves it. I'd like to wish him all the best for his future and I hope then many students have the golden opportunity to learn not only the values of mathematics but also the values of life from him. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. First of all, a happy Teachers Day to all the mentors watching this video. Today I feel extremely proud and delighted to hear that my beloved Arup sir has received such a prestigious award on the occasion of Teachers Day. I think it's only because of his hard work and his constant dedication towards his profession. I met Arup sir when I was in class 9. At that time he used to teach me mathematics. Sare moi teta mathematics iman bhal nasilu mur concepts iman clear nasile but Arup sir came like a savior to me he was like a rescuer to me kyunki sare mu pohwa pisot mur concepts imane clear hol mathematics ki moi board sot moi above 90% marks paisilu and his way of teaching was extraordinary mane very different mur karone bahut different asile mur bahute bhal lagisile sir pohwa way to আৰু for that I'll be forever grateful to him আৰু মোৰ আজি ইমানে ভাল লাগিছে কি মই ছাৰৰ এনেকুৱা এটা স্পেচিয়েল দিনত মই ছাৰক এনেকৈ উইশ কৰিব পাৰিছোঁ এণ্ড ছাৰ আপুনি জীৱনত আপুনি এনেকৈ আগবাঢ়ি যাওক আপুনি সুস্বাস্থ্যৰে থাকক আৰু সদায় আৰু আপুনি আৰু ছাকচেছ পাওক জীৱনত সেয়ে মই ভগৱানৰ ওচৰত এই কামনা কৰিলোঁ আপোনাৰ এই স্পেচিয়েল দিনটোত থেংক ইউ ছ' মাছ
Good morning. Myself, Wasimul Haq, a second-year MBBS student of Tejpur Medical College, Assam. Today, I am extremely delighted to hear that my mentor, Arupjyoti Saikia sir, who used to teach and guide us in school, has been selected for the national level MVLA Bharat Jyoti Guru Gaurav Vidyaratan Award 2021 on the occasion of Teachers' Day. I still remember back in school when mathematics was a dreaded phobia for me. It was only because of his efforts that I was successful in graduating with distinction marks in all my subjects, including both the mathematics, the advanced and the general one. Apart from being a very good and helpful teacher, he used to visit our homes whenever we were low in spirits and used to guide and motivate us to move ahead. I still remember him being saying to me that always try to be a good person rather than just being a successful one. Thank you very much, sir. I wish you a heartiest congratulations and please keep blessing us.
Hello everyone, this is Ronak Lohia. First of all, I would like to wish Sir Arupjyoti Saikia and all other teachers watching this video a very happy Teachers' Day. I was very pleased on getting the information that Sir is being presented with this award. I believe a teacher like Sir, who has given his time and energy over the years for the education and betterment of his students, should be duly acknowledged with. And therefore, I would like to thank MVLA Trust for presenting this award to my teacher, Sir Arupjyoti Soikia. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Ananya Hazarika. I am currently a PhD candidate in Cleveland State University, Ohio. My research focuses on 6G communication and my domain is in electrical and computer engineering. And I have completed my MTech from IIIT Guwahati. Today, I just got the news from my brother that my tutor, Arup sir, got the Guru Samman National Level Teacher Award. Arup sir was my tutor in class 9 and class 10, and it was because of his constant guidance and support I was able to score more than 90% marks in my mathematics and advanced maths in class 10. And I will be grateful to you, sir, for this forever. And sir, I would like to congratulate you for winning this award and all the best for your future, sir.
Hello everyone, I am Anjan Sharma, ex-student of Arup Soikia sir. I had the privilege of being under his guidance from 2005 to 2009. As it's always quoted that teachers plant the seeds of knowledge that blooms a lifetime. Same has been apt with me too. As sir had been an excellent teacher who mentored me during my high school education, and due to those endless efforts, I could complete my MBA from ICFI Business School, Hyderabad. And currently, I am working in an esteemed position with IDFC First Bank Limited. I am really delighted to hear about sir's current achievement as sacrifices shouldn't go unnoticed for any guru of ours. So here's my heartiest congratulations to Arup sir for achieving such a prestigious and honorable MBLA Guru Samman 2021 award, and wishing good luck for upcoming endeavors. Lastly, I wish all my teachers and Arup sir a happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
First of all, a very happy Teachers' Day to all my beloved teachers. As they say, teachers are the guiding light to our lives. ঠিক তেনেদৰে ছাৰ অৰুপজ্যোতি শইকীয়া মোৰ লাইফত এজন মিৰেকল হিচাপে আহিছিল। আজি যদি মই ছাকচেছফুল ডেণ্টিষ্ট হয়, ইটছ অল বিকজ অফ অৰুপ ছাৰ। আই গিভ হিম অল দ্য ক্ৰেডিটছ এণ্ড তেওঁৰ সফলতাৰ কথা গম পাই মোৰ ইমান ভাল লাগিছে, মই অতিকৈ আনন্দিত। আই থিংক তেওঁ ইয়াতকৈ বেছি আৰু ডিজাৰ্ভ কৰে। আই উইচ হিম অল দ্য ছাকচেছ ইন লাইফ। থেংক ইউ ছ' মাছ ছাৰ ফৰ বিং দ্য বেষ্ট মেণ্টৰ।
Hello everyone, I'm Nasreen Ahmed from Assam and I'm a second year medical student from Ternopil National Medical University, Ukraine. Recently I came to know that our most beloved Sir Arupjyoti Soikia has received the Bharat Jyoti Guru God of Vidya Ratan Award. Firstly, my warmest congratulations to him, and I'm so overwhelmed to hear the news. He is one of the best teacher I have ever known. He always guided me in the right path. Being a student of him, I am so proud of him. Keep signing, sir.
Hi, this is Anurag Bhattacharya. I had completed my BTech from SRM Institute of Science and Technology with 94% aggregate. Actually, I was a student of Mr. Arup Soikia sir during my 9th and 10th standard, and now I am very proud to hear that he had received the Best Teacher Award, and I wish him all the best for his future endeavors. Thank you.